Hello and welcome again to my cooking channel. Today we are making an egg and cucumber salad. To start, I will remove the seeds from my cucumber and then I will dice it into small pieces. And then I will move it into my mixing bowl. And then I will move on and chop my red onion. I also need to cut my onion into very small pieces. Add it to the cucumber. And then I will add in my hard-boiled eggs. I also have to chop it into small pieces. Add it to the rest of the ingredients. I seasoned with aromat. I chose the cheese flavor. You can use salt or just original aromat. Mix everything together. And now I'm adding in my grated cheese. Mix again. When everything is mixed together, I will add mayonnaise. Now I'm combining everything together. Now my salad is ready and it's time to serve it. You can keep it in the refrigerator and save it later. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to give the video a thumbs up, and to comment down below. Time to enjoy your salad. Thank you. Bye.